is there. Well, with that, we'll move ahead. And remember, Tanishq has partnered with debeers Group to launch India's first Tanishq Diamond Expertise Center. The facility introduces in-store diamond evaluation technology aimed at enhancing transparency for consumers. The move comes amidst Tanishq's push to boost the natural diamond segment. I caught up with Amit Pratihari, MD of De Beers India, and Ajoy Chawla, he's CEO of Tanishq, on the sidelines of the event, and started by asking them about their strategy behind the move.
Actually, diamonds has been Tanishq interest for the last 25 years. Currently, with the rising prices of gold and the significant amount of narrative confusion in the market around natural and lab and prices of diamonds, we felt it is important that we need to educate customers and empower them. Let them know what they are buying and let them understand the value of what they are buying and how do they distinguish the natural from the lab, and how does she figure out, go beyond the 4Cs, and what is the sparkle and the story behind diamonds. So that's the purpose of doing this.
Second half, Amit, how does that look right now? Because we do understand that a lot of work is being done. The first half was kind of okay, but the second half really matters now. What are there any projections that you guys are putting out in sense of demand, sales, with all this work that is happening? How are the conversions looking like?
I think second half is quite optimistic view what we have, because if you look at the Diwali, Dhanteras, it goes up till Jan, Feb, till next year. I think that is the high value months, I would say. And our partnership with Tanishq is quite clear how our approach we're looking for India particularly. India is no more a well-kept secret. It is, everybody's aware that India is growing, economy is growing. We expect another India getting added up in next 5 years. We're a $4 trillion economy. By 2030, it is going to be almost $7.9 to $8 trillion economy. We see higher disposable income. And when you come to jewelry segment, the projection recent Deloitte report, it is saying from $90 billion in 2025, it is going to be $235 billion by 2035. And diamond share, in spite of we are selling diamond for almost many years or century, still the diamond penetration is below 15%. So I think what partner we can get better than Tanishq? They are the market leader, they're jeweler for India. They have a good share of diamond. I think this partnership is to bring transparency and confidence in the chaotic world what currently we are living with, making sure that the customers are more confident about what they buy.
Ajoy, how concerned are you with the lab-grown diamond steep rise that we have seen? Has the disruption being dusted with, and the market's back now?
No, I think we are at a very early stage of the diamond market in the first place. And within that, lab-grown is a recent phenomena in India. So it currently is probably less than 2 to 3% of the overall diamond jewelry. We think the natural diamond market has a lot of promise, given that the penetration is so low, and given that India is one of the fastest growing natural diamond markets for the world. We are now the second largest market and growing at a very rapid clip. So for us, the natural diamond story is just beginning to play out, and we believe that lab is a different segment and it may hopefully bring in more customers into the category. But natural itself is a very big story that we think is a very important piece.
So Ajoy, when it comes to credibility, you're working towards that, and trust and awareness and certification, etc. Would you say that, what percentage would you put when it comes to Indians that are being aware of that?
Very few. I can tell you that even amongst diamond buyers in India, there is a lot of confusion. Many of the people who buy from us, they say we buy because you're Tanishq and you're from Tata. But now we want to tell them, don't take our word for it. Come to the expertise center, let a trained gemologist explain to you what it is, so that you're buying with full knowledge and empowerment and awareness. And there are so many others who are out there who are probably aspiring for diamonds but are very confused where to go. How do I know this is real? And how do I know that I'm not going to be fooled into something which is maybe, under the 4Cs, it should be the sparkle in the diamond which should stand out for her. So we think it's a great opportunity, and we believe that the launch of the Tanishq Diamond Expertise Center will not only build empowerment, but will also strengthen the trust, not just in Tanishq, but in the category of diamonds.
Another thing that the consumers are quite confused about really is the prices. Where do we stand there?
So I think pricing is more to do with B2B. I think retail prices are still holding strong. And we are already seeing an early sign that prices at the B2B segment, it is already holding and getting stronger in certain segment. So I'm not worried about the pricing in terms of a long-term view. I think we're quite optimistic that these prices will going to be stable and strengthen forward.
I'll wind this down with one final question. Second half, any more launches coming in? New themes?
There will be, but for us, only one quarter is over. So we still have 3/4 of the year still there, and we've just begun the year. So I wouldn't say second half. I would still say we have 9 months of the year to go. And it's a silent period, so I can't say more. Thank you.
So much.
Thanks, Manisha.
All right, well, that's Tanishq and debeers telling us that the season is just about begun and they're looking at very strong numbers coming in the second half. High value months these are, and they're expecting that the natural diamonds industry will continue to see more penetration into the Indian markets. But with that, that's all the time that we have on Commodity Champions. Thank you for watching.